Hello, students. I'm going to take you through a very quick overview of what virtual learning is going to look like for the first quarter. In case we don't talk one-on-one, I want to give you an idea as to what you're going to have to do throughout the first quarter. The first thing you're going to do is look at this particular Google Doc that you're going to receive. And you're going to see at the top there's synchronous, asynchronous, and a list of dates. Your job is synchronous and asynchronous learning. You're going to do learning that's going to be ongoing with me, and you're going to do learning on your own. All right, you're going to be required to do this hyperdoc that I'm going to show you step by step in a later video. But you're also going to do 2 videos a week with guided notes that you're going to turn in for a grade. Okay, and everything is located on my Google Classroom site. Okay, so I'm going to quickly flip through and show you where everything is located. So the first thing you should do is, again, if you haven't done so, or we have done so, is to click on this tutorial. You're going to watch me first, and I'm going to give you an idea as to what you're going to have to do. If you look at the right column, all the dates are here that you're going to need. So if we don't talk on a regular basis, I want you to keep in mind that these are the dates that you're going to need to be very aware of moving forward up until the end of the first quarter. Okay, this is where your grades are going to be affected. If you don't have, all right, things done by this particular date is when you're going to get behind, and that's the last thing I want you to do. You're only going to be required to do 2 videos a week. All right, as you notice, they're very, very simple. And the videos that go along with that are under guided notes. Those are the notes that you're going to have to turn in for a grade. All right, and those are 10 points apiece. All right, synchronous learning we'll learn later, but I wanted you to get an idea as to what your quarter is going to look like. You're going to have to do something synchronous and something asynchronous every single week. All right, so for right now, I'm going to show you. All right, this is where you're going to go to, and this is my world history. You should all be invited. If you're not invited to this particular class, let me know, and your class code is up here, and you'll be able to get into it. Okay, you're going to click on classwork, and it's the first thing you're going to see is how to ask an historically relevant question. All right, and everything you need to know is right here. All right, your tutorial for your world history hyperdoc is listed right here. And I'm going to take you through step by step as to what you need to do for the hyperdoc. But your situation, your hyperdoc is located, all right, in quarter 1 and 3, how to ask an historically relevant question. You're going to click on that, and under synchronous learning, this is what you're going to be doing. Now, again, I took you through this already in another video, so I'm not going to waste your time. So it's very, very simply laid out. And you're going to have to follow that throughout the quarter. And every single category, explore, explain, developed, apply, and the finished product is all located on these color coordinated spots in the left column here under synchronous learning. Asynchronous learning, okay, is going to be a little bit different, all right? But instead of being in this category under Ask an Historically Relevant Question, you're going to scroll down to the Flipped Classroom course. The Flipped Classroom course under Asynchronous Learning has the videos that you're going to need to watch and to do your thing with asynchronous learning. You're going to watch these videos, and as you go through, you're going to fill out these notes. Okay? Now, as you can see at the very bottom here, these are for foldables, all right, and you don't have to do these sections, and it's kind of a glitch in the program. So you're just going to go in and fill in these notes moving forward. And when you're done with them, you're going to go ahead and click on Turn In. Now, I don't have the student version of Google Classroom, but when you see the notes, you're going to see a turn in button, and you're going to click on that, and it will show me that you handed in the work. All right, and those are located here. So early humans, the Neolithic and Paleolithic is due on the 18th of September. Okay? Along with the Explore section of the HyperDoc. All right? So in week 1, you're going to need to go ahead and answer this box for synchronous learning. You're going to choose a topic, all right, and that's basically it. You're going to fill it in here, you're going to turn it in, and that's your grade. Okay? Then the next slot is, again, explain. Under that explain category, you're going to do that. Then you're going to do 5 civilizations or characteristics of a civilization and ancient Mesopotamia. Those notes are due on the 25th, along with the explain part of the HyperDoc. And moving forward, it's the exact same thing every single week, with the exception of the finished product, which is going to take you longer, so I don't have things to do synchronously except for you to finish your product that's due on the 30th of October. Okay? Again, everybody's going to be different, but you're going to have to be required to do at least 2, or at least 1 rather, video per week. And I want you to pay very special attention to the dates, because these are all dates are on Fridays that these things are going to be due. So this is just a progress list of that I wanted to put together for you, so it's as simple as possible. So worst case scenario is that we don't have the ability to talk to one another, either through communication errors or whatever the case may be. I want you to know that you can do this independent work, all right? And I am here for whatever questions that you have. If you require me to go through step by step, there is going to be a chance for you to contact me. Every single day, I'm going to be in this office. This link right here is where you're going to go when you need to get attention from me. Okay, this is where you're going to go. This is where I'm going to be. All right, and so you can meet me here in a Google Meet through my office hours that you can see, and moving forward. So whatever questions that you have, whatever things that you have moving forward, you can reach me there, or you can email me, or you can text me, or you can call me during my office hours. School ends at 2:55, and if you need to make an appointment with me after that, I am available. Okay? So this is just a quick video, just a quick setup for what you need to do for quarter 1. Again, quarter 2 is going to change, and we'll go over that when we know more information about school. But until then, I hope that this is just a basic understanding. I don't want to overwhelm you. And again, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please feel free to contact me. But and I can't emphasize this enough, please pay attention to these dates. If you are behind, I am going to count these assignments at the end of each week. So please don't get behind. If you get at least a week behind, make sure you get in contact with me and we can go over a plan. Okay? I wish you guys a very successful year. I hope that things work out great, and hopefully at some point we'll be able to reconnect again. But until then, take care of yourselves and stay safe and stay healthy, and I will talk to you soon.